All right, thank you so much for being here. I'm excited to be starting off this session. My name is Jessica Fries, and I am the CEO of SynovAI. For any of the small molecule therapeutic wonders that you'll see at this conference, in order to make them a reality, someone has to synthesize those molecules. But the reality is, synthesis is often a complex and expensive process that stands between patients and the medicines they need. That's why SynovAI has brought together a team that bridges cutting-edge chemistry and real-world pharmaceutical impact to approach this problem. We'll solve it with our AI retrosynthesis platform. This platform offers cost savings of up to 90% in the $228 billion US chemical cost of goods sold market, giving us chemical processes that are more scalable, cheaper, and faster. But what really is this process? What is this problem? As we've learned how to increase the effectivity of drugs, we've also had increased chemical complexity. This increased complexity met with increased regulatory scrutiny and economic considerations has led to longer synthetic pathways. And this creates a worse ROI at the end, disincentivizing companies from investing in these life-saving medicines. For chemists, this means struggling to balance all of these complexities while not being given any more time than they had previously, leading to them creating less optimal pathways that cost more, have higher waste, and lower yields. But SynovAI has the solution in our AI retrosynthetic platform. With this, we're able to optimize these cost levers simultaneously, allowing us to provide chemists with multiple improved synthetic pathways in seconds. This allows us to perform cost reductions on real therapeutic molecules like this GLP agonist on screen. Beyond that, SynovAI's AI model has outperformed other AI retrosynthesis models. Specifically, our patented technology is fundamentally mathematically generalizable across reaction space. In addition, we're able to remove the inefficiencies and cost scaling associated with single-step models. This has allowed us to build a platform that is already live with experimentally validated synthetic pathways. With this, we have a clear competitive technological edge. And with that technological edge, SynovAI is ready to grow. We have already identified 35,000 targets and been able to perform preliminary evaluation across 13,000 of those that span chemical sectors. This prepares us for process IP generation on these assets. We'll focus first on the assets that we can build strategic partnerships and licensing agreements around. This will allow us to focus on our partner needs and build strong traction on a project-by-project basis. In the short term, that will give us early and ongoing revenue and cash flow. From there, we'll diversify our reach with the multiplicative impact of CDMO partnerships to then allow us to build out our own in-house labs to accelerate our improved process patent generation. Throughout that pathway, we have multiple value inflection points that will demonstrate our growth. And at SynovAI, we can't wait to improve retrosynthetic pathways, and we look forward to each one of you continuing that conversation with us, myself, and my colleagues waving in the audience. Thank you.